I welcome you all for today's video lecture. Today's topic is tenses. In this video, we are going to see present tense with examples, past tense with examples, future tense with examples. Now we see tenses. Tenses can be divided into three parts: present tense, past tense, future tense. Each of the three above mentioned tenses can further be divided into subparts. These subparts include simple, continuous, perfect, perfect continuous. Now we see the subparts of present tense: simple present tense, present continuous tense, present perfect tense, present perfect continuous tense. It is also applicable for past tense and future tense. Now we see the subparts of past tense: simple past tense, past continuous tense, past perfect tense, past perfect continuous tense. Now we see the subparts of future tense: simple future tense, future continuous tense, future perfect tense, future perfect continuous tense. Now we see subparts of all the present tense. Simple present tense. Present tense can be defined as an expression for an activity that is currently in action or is habitually performed. It is used for state that generally exists or is currently ongoing. We usually use simple present tense for universal truth. Let's see the example for simple present tense. The girl sings a song. The girls sing a song. I have mentioned the subject as a plural subject and as a singular subject. Present continuous tense. To express the idea that something is happening now, at this very moment. What is going on now? What is happening now? This is what present continuous tense. Example, you are learning English now. Present perfect, an action happened at an unspecified time before now. Example, I have seen that movie 20 times. I think I have met him once before. To express an action which is recently complete, that is what present perfect tense. Present perfect continuous tense. To show that something started in the past and has continued up until now. For 5 minutes, for 2 weeks, and since Tuesday are all durations which can be used with the present perfect continuous. Let's see the examples. You get an idea. She has been practicing since morning. They have been practicing since morning. So when you see the present perfect tense, that action should be started in the past and still it is continuing now. That is what present perfect continuous tense. Now we see the simple past. Use the simple past tense to describe a completed action that took place at a specific point in the past. To express an action which happened in the past, that is what? Simple past. Example, he ran away. Past continuous tense. To show that something continued for some time. Example, my head was aching. Everyone was shouting. To express an action which takes time to complete in the past. That is what past continuous. Past perfect. Something that happened several times before a point in the past and continued after that point. That is what past perfect tense. Let's see the example for past perfect tense. He had written 3 books. The train had left out of the station before I reached the stations. I have mentioned here past perfect tense and simple past. Had left, I have mentioned here had left as a past perfect tense and then reached simple past in one sentence. Past perfect continuous tense. The past perfect continuous tense is not like the present perfect continuous tense that express an action that started in the past and kept continuing until the present. Instead, the past perfect continuous tense denotes an action that started in the past, continued in the past, and also ended at a certain point in the past. This is the difference between past perfect continuous tense and the present perfect continuous tense. So when you take present perfect continuous tense, that action should be started in the past, still it is continuing now, and then and it will be continuing in the future. That is what present perfect continuous tense. Let's see the now past perfect continuous tense in the sense that action should be started in the past and continued in the past and also ended in the past. That is what past perfect continuous tense. Let's see the example for past perfect continuous tense. They had been playing music non-stop for 10 minutes before he finally came out of the room to meet them. Now we see future tense, simple future. The simple future tense is used when an action is promised or thought to occur in the future. So future means it is going to occur only in the future. That is what we mentioned here, future. So simple future is also that action is going to happen only in the future. It is going to occur in the future. Let's see the example. We shall move to another city. He will come to New York tomorrow. Future continuous tense. The future continuous tense is used when an action is promised or thought to be going on at a specific time, context in the future. Example, I shall be sleeping at around 6 a.m. tomorrow. They will be playing at this time tomorrow. So future continuous tense in the sense that action is going to happen only in the future. It takes some time to finish that action. That is what future continuous tense. Future perfect. The future perfect tense is used to demonstrate an action which is promised to be done by a certain time in the future. Example, I shall have completed the assignment by Monday. She will have cleaned the house before her father comes. So here, let's see the future perfect. Future perfect tense is also going to happen only in the future, but you are giving the assurance for the time. Let's see here the example. I shall have completed the assignment by Monday. So now itself you are telling here, you are giving the assurance for the time. So I'll be doing the work. It is going to happen only in the future, but you are giving now itself, you are giving that assurance for the time. Future perfect continuous tense. This tense is used to describe an event that is ongoing, will complete sometime in the future. A time reference is used to indicate the starting time of the event or an action or how long it has been continuing. Commonly used words to indicate time reference are since and for. So future perfect continuous tense in the sense it's also like it is going to end only in the future. Let's see the example. They will have been living in Mumbai for 10 years. So they will have been living in Mumbai for 10 years in the sense they started to live in Mumbai. Still they are living in Mumbai. Then they will be living in Mumbai. So it is represent past, and then present, and then future. And then now for 10 years in the sense they already started to live. Before 10 years they started to live in Mumbai. Still they are living in Mumbai, and then they will be living in Mumbai. That is what the future perfect continuous tense. Thank you all for your patience listening. Today we see the topic is tenses.